this video, I will discuss about the shortcut to find center of the hyperbola, whose general form is ax square minus by square plus cx plus dy plus e equal to 0. The center of x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square equal to 1 is 0, 0. Similarly, the center of x minus h the whole square divided by a square minus y minus k the whole square divided by b square equal to 1 is h, k. We don't have direct formula to find the center whose general form is ax square minus by square plus cx plus dy plus e equal to 0. So, I am going to tell you a shortcut for this type of problems. To find x coordinate, differentiate the coefficients of x square and x. Then equate the value to 0 and solve the equation to find the value of x. Similarly, to find y coordinate, differentiate the coefficients of y square and y. Then equate the value to 0 and solve the equation to find the value of y. For example, find the center of the hyperbola 5x square minus 9y square minus 10x minus 90y plus 185 equal to 0. To find x coordinate, differentiating 5x square minus 10x. 5 into 2x minus 10 equal to 0, which will be x equal to 1. To find y coordinate, differentiating minus 9y square minus 90y, which is minus 9 into 2y minus 90 equal to 0, which will be y equal to minus 5. Therefore, the center is 1, minus 5. Moving on to the second question. Find the center of the hyperbola 3x square minus 2y square minus 6 equal to 0. To find x coordinate, differentiating 3x square, which is 3 into 2x equal to 0, which will be x equal to 0. Similarly, to find y coordinate, differentiating minus 2y square, which is minus 2 into 2y equal to 0, which will be y equal to 0. Therefore, the center is 0, 0. Moving on to the third question. Find the center of the hyperbola x square minus 4y square plus 6x plus 16y minus 11 equal to 0. To find x coordinate, differentiating x square 6x, which is 2x plus 6 equal to 0, which will be x equal to minus 3. Similarly, to find y coordinate, differentiating minus 4y square plus 16y, which is minus 4 into 2y plus 16 equal to 0, which will be y equal to 2. Therefore, the center is minus 3, 2. Thank you.